basic foundation of any chef is knife skills, and this is a great test for it. It's about accuracy and precision.
I've been practicing my knife skills for the last 5 years, and that's going to help me a lot in this competition.
Regine's vegetables look incredible. This competition's definitely lit a fire under him.
Being a hunter, I know my way around a knife, but this is my first pressure test, and I am super nervous.
Alyssa can cut apart like a whole carcass with precision and speed. I feel like she's got this.
What you got to start with here is the vegetables.
You want to slice them into the fine, wispy julienne, precisely, but as quickly as you possibly can.
You know, Italian cooking, we don't julienne or dice. It's not one of my strengths at all.
I'm very familiar with julienning. We pickle our entire leftover garden every autumn. Definitely in my wheelhouse.
Jenny is the vegetable queen. She's a huge threat.
You got this, Jenny.
Thanks, guys.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah, baby. Alyssa's not following the same order as the other home cooks. The julienne I have done before, so I leave my vegetables for last, and I start on my dressing.
Delaying the vegetables feels a little risky to me, but go, Alyssa, go.
Alyssa is making her vinaigrette right now, mincing her garlic, adding the fish sauce, grapeseed oil, chili, lime juice in there, and that palm sugar.
Remember, Roz, it's a replication.
Yeah.
I hope Regine has learned what replication means.
I left on the replication challenge. Sometimes I move too quickly and I miss small details. With this second chance, I can't make any silly mistakes. I am 100% not finished in this kitchen.
All of us in the gallery are just waiting for that medic call.
Careful. Watch your
Slow and
fingers.
steady, guys.
I'm scared that Tony's in a knife battle. He always finds a way to nick himself.
Okay, stay calm, stay cool, because if I get all pumped up, that's when things go wrong.
Medic.
Oh, no.
Careful, careful.
We have one injury already.
No.
Okay,
It's
don't
okay,
give up.
keep going, keep going.
Keep going,
Use the
Rosa,
other
keep
hand.
going.
This cut is gonna slow me down, and I need every second I have. Thank you.
Jenny's the first one to get her noodles in, so she is now ahead.
I'm really good under pressure because I have 4 kids. I got this. I want to show them, never give up, chase your dreams, just keep digging.
The secret of good rice noodle is to drop it into the boiling hot water, take it out, and stop the cook with ice water.
I have never worked with rice noodles. I don't even know how long they really take to cook.
Rice noodles cook much faster, and afterwards you have to make sure that you put a little bit of oil in it, because if you don't do that, they stick together like glue.
I see Alyssa put the noodles in, but she hasn't cut anything yet except herself.
All I want to do is yell at Alyssa, stop the noodles and get on those vegetables. She needs to get back on task.
5 minutes! 5 minutes left!
I only have 5 minutes. Why didn't I cut these vegetables? At this point, I don't have time for precise cuts. I just want to get them on the plate.
Man, Alyssa does not have, like, anything done.
I'm panicking right now. I just don't know if I can do this.
I'm sending all of my good vibes to Alyssa right now. I just want her to pull through this.
Focus.
3 minutes! You only have 3 more minutes! Show us what you got!
It is neck and neck right now. Oh, but look at Regine's noodles. One hot mess.
These noodles.
Oh.
Again, you have to separate the noodle. It's gonna be a clog.
Oh, I forgot to oil the noodles after I drained them, which is a supreme rookie mistake. So I just dump them in the vinaigrette and toss it as quickly as I can.
Please,
1 minute! You only have 1 more minute left. Come on, 1 minute!
guys.
Come on, show us what you got!
Chiffonade. This is psychological torture.
Come on, everything on the plate. Don't miss anything.
Shaking, I'm shaking. My plating technique is throwing it on the bowl and hoping it's all there.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Job, guys.
Whoa.
The plate's not very clean, but it's a miracle. I didn't cut myself.
Hi, Tony. Welcome back.
Thank you.
So, Tony, this was a replication challenge. Looking at your dish, I'm seeing most of the vegetables. Looks like they're all the same size and shape. Good job.
Thank you.
Let's see how you did on noodles. It's nice and loose, so it looks good. Only the mouthfeel, the texture, perfect.
Thank you.
The vinaigrette for this salad, it's very mild, very light, and a little heavy on the oil.
Overall, no damage to any of your body parts, so I'm impressed.
Thank you very much, chefs.
So, Jenny, you're no stranger to vegetables.
No, I'm not.
You really nailed the cuts here, but how does it taste?
Texture, they're sticking together. It's rubbery. But in terms of the seasoning, nice acidity from the lime. It could use a touch more fish sauce.
Overall, I'd say the proportions are pretty decent. Presentation-wise, you did a really good job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alyssa, how are you?
Been better, chef.
Why is that?
The pressure got to me. Didn't manage my time correctly.
And you cut yourself, which ate up about 2 to 3 minutes of valuable time.
Yeah.
Now, you know there's a lot of elements missing on this plate. You missed the chiffonade of the Thai basil. You missed the peanuts. The vegetables look like they were just thrown on here and not placed.
I would say the noodles consistency looks nice, okay? They're separating and they look individual. The consistency is quite good.
Salad dressing definitely has more punch and more flavor to it.
And the cook on the noodles, textbook.
Thank you, Liz.
Rogine,
Chef,
you managed to get everything in the bowl. The uniformity is actually exceptional.
thank you, chef.
It's a little bit clumpy, probably because after you cooked it, you didn't apply some oil to keep it separate. It's a little bit overcooked.
The dressing on a salad like this needs to be enough to coat, enough to flavor. Those elements are there, but it's heavy on the oil, which just pushes it out of balance in my mind.
When I look at Alyssa's, I see a lot of components that are missing, but I did mess up the rice noodles. You never know.
I want you to know the four of you put up a fantastic fight. It's clear you all want back into this competition, but only 3 of you will be moving on. Unfortunately, one of your noodle salads did not make the cut. Alyssa, I'm sorry. Please say goodbye to your fellow home cooks.
Thank you, chef. I just want to thank everybody involved with this. I never thought I'd step foot in this kitchen.
Alyssa, your indomitable spirit and your beaming smile will be missed in this kitchen. Now come on up and say goodbye.